It was really interesting while experiencing this test for the first time because they were playing sounds and I could not hear them, or maybe they weren't playing anything. But I feel like halfway through the test, on each ear, the left and right side, I would be listening for sounds to tap on them, and I'd be like, I don't hear anything. But the good news is I don't have any or much. It says little to no loss. It says your test indicates little to no loss. Keep your health, keep your hearing healthy, and no changes needed. So we're good to go.